My name's Lindsay Kuzi. I'm a licensed mental health counselor, and I'm also a QPR gatekeeper trainer. And that is Question, Persuade, Refer. It is a program for people that are not clinical to learn how to help somebody who is contemplating suicide or comes to you and says, I'm contemplating suicide, and how to help. So it's a certification program. It's about a 2-hour program that is offered in a plethora of different places. And one of those places that you can reach out to is us if this is something that sounds interesting to you. When somebody says, I want to kill myself or I want to have complete suicide, it can be a really scary thing to deal with. And so one of the first things that we do is pause, and we make sure that we are not judgmental in how we take these next approaches. Those contemplating suicide likely feel utterly hopeless, out of control, and unable to cope. And so trying to silver lining it or trying to, well, what if you did this? What if you did this is not what's going to help in that moment. So if somebody comes to you and says, I feel like I want to kill myself, I'm really depressed, the first thing that we do is try and get them connected to somebody that can help. And the easiest place to do that is by calling the 988 line. The 988 suicide helpline is there. It can be a text, it can be a phone call, and those individuals are there to help them get to those next steps of somebody that can help. That's the biggest thing that we can do in those situations, is get them to somebody that can start to help them professionally move towards finding that hope and finding the control and finding ways to cope.